Introduce features interest for PatioBoss electric patio heater wall-mounted outdoor heater with remote control, indoor/outdoor infrared heater, 1500 watt quiet with LED display. 3 seconds instant warm with 24-hour timer, waterproof IP34. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose PatioBoss electric patio heater wall-mounted outdoor heater with remote control. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. PatioBoss electric patio heater use advanced heating technology with carbon fiber tubes. 95% of electricity can be converted into heat and delivers heat directly to people or objects with 100% noise-free. And you can choose an ideal level depending on your preference from 500, 1000, 1500 watts. Just need 3 seconds, we will feel comfortable warm like sunlight in cold winter. PatioBoss wall-mounted patio heater equipped with 4 mounting brackets and fasteners. You can mount the infrared heater on the wall easily in only 4 steps. Refer to the user manual to save space. The heater can tilt up or down to angle toward you. Meanwhile, control panel and remote control help you to choose the levels without moving. Get the warmth you want easily. 1500 watt high-level power for this outdoor patio heater. Whether indoor or outdoor, you can use the for your want. Great for setting on your porch and patio to enjoy your reading, for keeping your newborn puppy away from cold in the dog kennel, for garage/basement to reduce the chill in the morning. For living room to get warm, even in the outdoor bars, restaurants, bathroom, terrace, chicken coop, smoking area. Don't you want a PatioBoss infrared wall heater? PatioBoss electric outdoor patio heater with multiple ways to protect you, your friends and family. When the patio heater is overheated, the infrared heater will automatically shut off to protect your safety. And 24-hour timer can be set auto shut off before going to sleep. Made with durable aluminum and with ETL certification and IP65 protection, you can use the heater at ease. Compared with traditional patio heater, this infrared heater don't need fuel, no carbon dioxide, will not pollute the air, protects the environment and saves 40 to 60% on electricity. Doesn't ring up your electric bill, and keep you warm. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.